नळाच्या उदकाचे 100% कव्हरेज ही एक इतिहासिक घडणूक असो दावो उदका स्रोत मंत्री सुभाष शिरोडकारान केला। तशेंच फुडल्या 25 वर्सां खातीर गोंयांत उदकाचो उणाव जावपाक जायना हाची खात्री बाळगोवपाचें लक्ष सरकार दवरतलो अशें मंत्री सांगता। मजगती मंत्र्यान केंद्रीय मंत्री गजेंद्र सिंग शेखावत मुखार म्हादय विशींचे मुद्दे मांडले आनी म्हादय जंय सुरू जाता थंय कसल्याय प्रकाराच्यो घडणुको घडटा जाल्यार गोंयच्या पर्यावरणाचेर ताचो परिणाम जातलो अशें सांगले।
It is a great delight to participate in this beautiful event, I would say, and a very historical event where the state has, what I should say, come out that the first state in the whole of the country to provide a jal connection, water connection to every house. I remember those days when I was somewhere in the year in 1978, 79, 80s when I was MLA. I had to stand before the then Honorable Chief Minister with a list of, I would say, requisite people for water connection. Those were the days when we had to stand in the queue and ask for, say, 15, 20 names to be approved by Honorable Chief Minister then for water connection release. And down the line, in my tenure, I see that the Honorable Chief Minister has succeeded and the PWD department has succeeded in providing water connection to each and every household of the state of Goa. It is a big honor to the state of Goa, I will say. While concluding, only two issues I think I should make a mention. Madai is the lifestyle and the lifeline of Goa. Any activity upstream the river by Karnataka, of course up till now, with your support, sir, and with your guidance, there is no disturbance. But henceforth, if at all by any issues which are being raised up by small sort of construction activities, that would disturb, and I would say historically that would damage and disturb the lifestyle, environment and ecology of the state of Goa, which should not happen. That is what my general opinion.